Hey man, I'm gonna be the first to say, I might be a little late to the party, but I definitely think we might be getting bamboozled again. I know I ain't said that in a long time, bro. Bamboozled again from Nike, a year after what they did previously. And we shall see if the rumors are true. Let's just see if it's all hype. Let's just see if it's all this, something to stir up the pot for us to get nothing at all. But we gotta talk about in today's video, that is this quote-unquote upcoming sneakers day, man. Yo, what is going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated. Before we get any further in today's video, bruh, if you don't do nothing else, you rocking out the vibes, man, do your boy a solid and leave a huge like on today's video. The likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. If you do want to, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. Go ahead and do those two things so you don't miss out on any content that we are dropping, man. Of course, my Instagram and all that good stuff will be down below. If you guys ever are in the need or in the market for some fitted caps, some fitted hats, snapbacks, whatever you do rock on your head, your crowns, make sure you guys go check out Crownminded. I'm gonna leave the link down below. I've been doing a couple of unboxings, showing you guys a couple different things that I have been getting from Crownminded. They have a bunch of dope things, a bunch of dope collections, and again, bro, one of my go-to spots, for all the crowns I have been copping recently, all 2024. So I ain't gonna leave you guys astray. I gotta let you guys know about a new up and coming, spot to get your fitted, your snapbacks, all your hat needs and stuff like that. So go ahead and check them out down below. They got pins, all type of accessories and good stuff like that, man. So like I said, link in the description box. All right, guys, so it's been a couple of days that I've been seeing this, buzz and this info about a sneakers day, and they didn't have some heat on there, but I'm talking about some major heat. And I feel like, some of the sneakers that we have been seeing kind of look a little bit similar to last year's, whole sneakers day debacle. They said we was getting the orange lobsters, they said we was getting some Travis Scotts, they said we was getting all type of stuff, and it kind of looks a little bit similar to what we are seeing in this, new rumor of a sneakers day. And I'm gonna show you guys a couple sneakers that are on there, a couple shoes that are previewed that, different sneaker outlets and stuff like that talking about. And I'm gonna be the first to say, bruh, I do not think it's gonna happen, bro. I don't think it's gonna happen, but I do gotta throw that information out there so you guys can know what's going on, what's popping off. And again, bruh, I ain't too strong on if all these are gonna drop. If anything do drop, of course we can bang on a pair of Air Max 1s, the royal blue joints or something like that. But as far as some of this stuff that I'm about to show y'all, bruh, it's kind of far-fetched, but hey, you never know. So let's go ahead and preview, run down a couple of the shoes we have been seeing on this, rumor of this upcoming sneakers day, August 8th. We're gonna start this off with a bang, man. The first one being the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. You guys know this has been a shoe that has restocked multiple times throughout the years. They've been restocking like crazy over in the EU, and this happens to be one of the shoes that actually did release and restock on Sneakers Day EU last year. That actually did happen, bro. It actually happened. They restocked a couple of times over in Europe, but we did not see a restock last year over the Lost and Founds in the US. So this is one of the first shoes that we have been seeing, have been hearing buzz about restocking. If you guys do not know me, your boy had to pay resale for these right here, so it'll be super clutch if this actually did happen. A quick little restock action on Sneakers Day for the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. That'd be greatly, appreciate it, man. Nike, go ahead and throw your boy a live real quick, because I definitely need a new pair. I've been beating these things up nonetheless. But you guys let me know if you think it's going to happen, bro. The first shoe on this crazy restock we hearing about, the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds, and hey, it's just some more heat, so stick around. All right, guys, and next, probably one of the top shoes to release last year, the Air Jordan 4 Pine Green SBs, the first SB Air Jordan 4 to ever drop. You guys know, got the Nike SB on the back, but this has been another shoe that's been buzzed around, has some, rumors floating around of these restocking on Sneakers Day. And of course, bro, this is one of the ones that's gonna make a lot of people turn their heads, and if you see or hear any rumor about these restocking, it's gonna bring a lot of attention. So I can see where people come from, these different sneaker outlets and stuff like that, but I do not see Nike doing that, bro. But again, I can be wrong, bro. I've been wrong a long time throughout this year, because I definitely didn't think the West Semester was going to sell out. The things is, slowly trickling out everywhere. And I thought that the, Olympic 6 was going to get a little bit more love. I was wrong both times. But it's what it is, man. I just give you guys my opinion over the sneaker and stuff like that. But, hey, I'm saying it right now. I do not think it's gonna happen, but you never know with Nike. We all know that, bro. You never know. We all know that they never sell out of anything, and these SB Original 4 Pine Green joints could be a little prelude to the remainder of the SB colorways we are getting next year in 2025. Those are already confirmed. And this next one I can definitely see happening because the initial release on Travis Scott website was a little, a little wishy-washy, and even on the Nike SNKRS app it was a little weird. But we have been hearing that the Air Jordan 1 Low Canary yellow guys are supposed to be restocking on sneakers there. Another one of them ones, bro. Another one of them ones. I still have not rocked my pair yet. I've been going a little bit, but I'm definitely going to get these in the rotation because I do really like the colorway, man. I love the quality. I love the gum bottoms on the Air Jordan 1s. And these right here is a no-brainer, top 5 sneaker of the year in my personal opinion. My top 5 so far in the year. We do have a bunch of more stuff releasing, but again, had to throw this on there. There's been some rumors about these joints restocking August 8th for this upcoming Sneakers Day, but hey, we shall see if it truly does happen. But I could definitely see, Nike, throwing this on a restock for Sneakers Day because I know they got some more pairs of these in the vault. I know some more pairs in the warehouse somewhere. They gotta let these things out, man. And the last shoe that I do have personally in the collection right now that has been floating around on this list of sneakers to restock on Sneakers Day is the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. Now this one right here, bro, I already got enough pairs, but if any shoe that I have mentioned, along with the Travis Scotts, if I ain't mentioned nothing else that's solidified that might, potentially happen, like 99% sure, I could definitely see them restocking the Military Blue 4s. These things have restocked so many times on different sneaker shops and stuff like that. And I think even Nike did a quick restock, like on Nike app, not SNKRS app. And I could definitely see them, throwing this on a Sneakers Day, kind of giving showing some love back for people that, probably want to double back and get a double up, a triple up, and all that good stuff. But these right here, nonetheless, could definitely make an appearance, bro. Not even just for Sneakers Day, bro, but just for any day throughout this year for these to restock, because they've restocked so many times. I already got my double up, so I'm cool on them. But you guys be on the lookout for, and there's the 4 Military Blue restock on this upcoming Sneakers Day. And then a couple other sneakers that have been on the list, sneakers that I do not have, one being the Jumpman Jack joints in that Cell colorway, not the University Red, and the Air Jordan 1 Low Olives, which I think were a women's exclusive, not too sure. Put a screenshot up here with all the shoes that have been floating around. You guys can see, and let me know down below in the comment section which ones you actually think will make an appearance on Sneakers Day. Me, I don't know, but if anything do pop off, and even these right here, I don't even know why I show these, bro. I could definitely see the Air Jordan 4, Brand Reimagined making a, reappearance and restock on Nike, because this was one of the most produced Air Jordan 4s of all time from Nike. So like, you never know, we might see these restock along with, the Military Blues, because they have so many pairs of these and you let them go. It'd be perfect time for Nike to let some things off on this upcoming Sneakers Day. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Your boy DeVintage is back with the content. All I ask you guys to do was leave a huge like on today's video. Drop some comments down below. You guys know I love reading you guys' comments. I ain't just up here talking to myself. I'm talking to you guys. Yeah, you watch the video. I'm talking to you, man. Go ahead and drop some comments. Let me know what you think about the topic of today's video, man. I love y'all. Appreciate all the support. Sub up. Hit that like button. Hit the notification bell so you miss on the content. And all that's been said, man, your boy DeVintage. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.